One thing about booking the bus in for its inspection and roadworthy and so on was that it actually set a deadline and a date, which probably was a little bit tight because there was 1,000 other jobs that had to be done. Some of it I'd done progressively, others I was trying to finish while I was doing the doors and the handles and the panel beating and so on. So this just covers quite a few of those jobs, not all of them, but certainly a few of them. I have to admit that I had a lot of trouble fitting that awning. The instructions come with two tables, one in imperial and one in metric. The difficulty was that the metric measures didn't equate to the feet and inches or the imperial measures, and the instructions themselves were in imperial. So that took a bit of working out. And there is a particular sequential process that's required to mount the thing properly. One of which included having to extend the awning completely before you could wind up the springs. So in the end, we just fitted it and left it where it was for a couple of months until we could actually take the bus out of the yard and open the awning completely. I also had some difficulty with the electrics. Some of the labels that we put on were misplaced, so I called the electrician and got him to sort out some of the problems, which one of which took him about an hour to figure out what it was. In the end, they're only minor problems, but very frustrating if you're not an electrician. Okay, so that's really all the jobs that needed to be done. I got my certificates from the plumber and the electrician, and so we were ready to take it down to the workshop for the engineer to assess what we had done so we could get our motorhome certificate.